Soon there will be a maximum of the Leonid meteor shower, the fastest shooting stars. On November nights you can observe the fastest of the shooting stars, the Leonids. They enter the Earth's atmosphere at a record speed of over 70 kilometers per second. The peak of their activity falls on the night of November 17 to 18. Shooting stars are meteors. Small grains rushing at enormous speeds, of the order of several dozen kilometers per second. Their source are comets that move among the planets, orbiting the Sun. Each comet leaves behind a lot of debris that moves in the same orbit as the comet. When the Earth enters this debris, we can observe shooting stars. The most famous November meteor shower is the Leonids, the source of which is the comet 55P, Tempel-Tuttle. They are visible in the sky between November 10th and 23. However, the maximum activity is expected on the night from the 17th to the 18th of the month. During this time, you can expect about 15 shooting stars per hour. It is not the most abundant meteor shower. For comparison, the August Perseids have about 100 meteors per hour, but it is the fastest. Their speed is approximately 70 kilometers per second. This is due to the shape of the orbit in which comet 55P, Tempel-Tuttle moves. It is located in such a way that the material left behind by the comet collides with our Earth's atmosphere at the highest speeds, says Damian Jablaker, Deputy Director of the Silesian Planetarium. Despite usually average activity, there are years when the Leonids mean a real meteor shower. In the case of this swarm, the best-known year is 1833. Then, as we can find in some Victorian records, 240,000 were counted within 9 hours. Shooting stars. When comet 55P, Tempel-Tuttle returns to the Sun every 33 years, it leaves more cometary material in its orbit. This means more meteors entering our atmosphere. Additionally, this matter is not distributed evenly in the comet's orbit. But the gravitational influence of Jupiter and Saturn causes it to concentrate in specific places, describes Jablaker. Unfortunately, the Leonids are a swarm for true enthusiasts or early risers. Its radiant, the place from which meteors appear to emerge, is in the constellation Leo. It's a spring constellation, so it's currently below the horizon all night long. It can be observed in the morning, before sunrise. And it is in the east that the Leonids are visible, covering almost half of the sky, notes Jablaker. However, this is not the only meteor shower that can be seen in November. Next to the Taurids, especially the northern Taurids. However, it is a shower of little activity, producing only about 5 meteors per hour, but very bright. You can look out for them until November 25th. Actually, every night, when we look at the sky, we have a chance to see particles that fall into the Earth's atmosphere. The Taurids are a shower that could be confused with such sporadic meteors. However, if you observe them for a long time, you can see that the streaks start near the constellation Taurus. This is how we know that we are dealing with Taurids, explains Jablaker.